Hello everyone, welcome to another video. A few days ago I've noticed this service AFL lamp error on the dash. After checking the headlights, I've seen that the cornering light on the left side is not working. Today I will show you how to change it. So I'm talking about this service AFL lamp. To change the bulb, we remove this cover here. Twist to get the bulb out. So the bulb is like this and you twist like this. Or two clips here on the side. We get the H11 bulb. When you put the bulb back, make sure you don't touch the filament. Back, and you're done. I hope this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and see you on the next one.